Hey guys, it's Game My Friends. Today we'll be doing a pack opening. I'm done. Literally, just got Ronaldo, Iniesta, and legend Di Maria. They close Falcao. Yeah, that's basic. That's basically all but done. I'm gonna open some packs and then I might end this video. Okay, packs. Chilling. Okay, we're gonna open the Asian pack again. No, Luis Suarez. Is that even an actual legend? No. Oh, the hype. Oh, crap. Whoa. Be fun. God, we just got Cristiano. Huh? 2 legends. Be fun. I'm okay, Oh my God, Cristiano. It's a video there yet. You're mad. 3, 2, Cause all. I don't look away. Okay, so this is another one. No, please don't tell me. Just got another legend. We ain't done. Mascherano, another legend. Continue. Oh my God, just got 3 legends. Chris 18 at 87. Legends. The legend. Mascherano. Oh, don't tell me you got 3 legends. No, 87. Oh, how can this pack lot be so good? Woo! Okay, at up. Kevin De Bruyne, Rakitic, Griezmann, Ramsey. In the back. And let's see who we got. We've got 2. Let's do the packs now. Let's see my final pack. Robin. Oh my God. Sanchez. No. Ramsey. That's okay, pack, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.